Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Our chief guest, Mr. Asad Ali Shah, our guests of honor, Mr. Tanveer Salim, Mr. Sanjeev Gathani, our special guests, Mr. Zulfikar, Mr. Musharraf, Mr. Rahim Surya, Mr. Asim, members from the State Bank, and all the participants, a very warm welcome to you. I'm a little bit disappointed to see that people have still not come in. The participants that have registered are 200 actually, but I guess they will be rolling in, but we have to start the program like. Just a bit about this certificate program for which we are recognizing our people today or the participants today who have put in a lot of effort. This is the creation of the Digital Assurance and Accounting Board, which was formed in 2018 by ICAP to enhance the digital learnings and to contribute. And it's a public interest board which works for everybody. So everybody is welcome to come and join our programs and learn from these trainings as well. And our chief guest today, Mr. Asad Ali Shah, he's been a part as well and played an active role as well in the board, in this board in the past. So the board comprises of 16 people from the industry, from IT background, and where they put their heads together and think now what's required. So last year when we had put on our thinking caps, we said that, there is this need to actually get understanding, a better understanding and grip on IT controls and IT risks. And most people are not aware or are not so knowledgeable because their training has not been in that manner. So now we are, brought about a program, and it took us quite some time. We did a lot of studies. It took us 7-8 months to build this program. Mr. Hussain Hassan Ali played a major role in this. Tanveer Salim, our board member, played a major role in helping us build this program. So a lot of IT heads, finance heads, all sat together. Our president, Mr. Farooq Rahman, he played an instrumental role as well. And we sat down and we made this program. And it is a unique one naturally because it's the first one of its kind in Pakistan. Nobody, in fact, I should say that barring India, who has made something similar, we are the first, amongst the first institutes in the world. Because if I look at England and Wales, or if I look at Australia, or if I look at Canada, none of these institutes have made these certification programs. So this is the need of the day, and cyber security and IT security is now so very important. Every day we are reading something or the other. Just, a few minutes ago I was reading this about the sales tax portal and how that seems to have been hacked, causing a lot of loss to the state exchequer, So these things are now getting very important. And that is when we rolled out this program. This is a 44-hour program, and we encourage all finance and business professionals, including IT professionals, to participate and learn from this. We have a very able trainer as well, Mr. Hussain Hassan Ali, and Zainab play a key role in running this program and helping ICAP in managing this. So this is done for the professionals. In the future, what we are doing is, at least our future chartered accountants are going to come well equipped with all this knowledge. So in the syllabus also, we are getting it added. So from next year onwards, the chartered accountants that come in, they would also have already gone through in their studies these sort of learnings. So life goes on, and we are building more programs. Our next program that is coming up is on RPA, repetitive performance automation, and artificial intelligence. So we teach in this program how to make bots and how to use AI. Again, it's for everybody to learn and automate their own areas so that then you can do more of the strategic thinking and more of the strategic work, because that's where the world is now moving. So we'd encourage you to pass that word around, and hopefully the registration should start in January because the class will start in February. We also have another signature program, which is our data analytics training program, which is very well sought after as well, where the class, we try and control the class, but every single class is like packed with at least 75 students, and I'm constantly nudged and pushed to, add one more, and it goes on. But there's a big demand and a big queue, actually. Everybody understands how important and valuable data analytics is now to help you, and this is a long, comprehensive program. Our trainer is also over here, so you can also talk to him as well later on during the break. So it's a 5-month program, again on the weekends as well, and to facilitate professionals and help them. And so have a nice time today. And we also have Ziad, who will keep you on your toes as well. Ziad, you can wave out so everybody knows who you are. Ziad is also one of our members, so he will also do a little bit of an activity to make sure you are active and enjoying yourself. So thank you very much, and today congratulations to all the toppers. I think it is very important that we recognize all those people who have been high achievers, as well as those that cleared the test also, because we don't take these things lightly. They are taken seriously in the sense that we have a proper assessment and check and balance in place to make sure that the certificate that we are issuing is worthy of its name and title like.